Hey there! Watch me whip up a content-packed, SEO-optimized, and monetized blog in just a few minutes with ICC Keyworkz. Let's create a project with our main keyword. We're going to get the party started by clicking on our keyword item to get a ton of keyword ideas complete with search volume. Let's pick some of the juiciest keywords for our blog's content structure. And once we picked our keywords and saved them, we can drag and drop until the structure is just right for our new website. We can even add entire website-ready sections saved in our silo library. That's a real time saver. Now, anytime we want, we can add content to any of our items of our keyword silo. The Easy Content Editor is designed to create cool content fast. You can edit the content or add your own text, images, or videos too. Spend as much time or as little time as you want creating content. It's up to you. So now you've got your keywords, your structure, and your content, you're ready to execute. One click and ICC Keyworkz will create the entire structure on your WordPress blog. Menus, categories, posts, pages, complete with content and monetization. You'll have a fully stocked, monetized blog all ready to start driving traffic and building up your bottom line. See how easy it is to whip up an SEO-optimized, content-packed, monetized blog with ICC Keyworkz. Click the button below to get started.